Hi, welcome back to my channel Agra. Since I have been discussing string methods in Python, so in the same sequence today I discuss find and rfind methods of strings. So these methods are very important when you find the index of the particular substring within the string. So there are two methods. One is find and other is rfind. Find scans the string from left to right, means index 0 onwards, whereas rfind scans the string from right to left, but the index is counted from 0 onwards. So without wasting much time on this discussion, let's move to our presentation. Let's see what happens there. So this is a presentation, and over here I'll show you how to use find and rfind. So see here, if you want to find out the string within the big string, suppose here I have the string a1 and I want to find out the index of s2. So how does it work? This we have to find out. So it returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring, that is s2, and if it is available in a1 or it is existing in a1, then it will return it will return the index of the particular substring, otherwise it will return -1. So if the substring does not exist in the string a1, then it will return -1, otherwise it will return the proper index of the substring. So over here, if you look at mix and fix, so this is a string and I want to find out the index of ix. So see here, so when I apply this method, find method, to find the index of this, so over here if you look at, so this index is 0 and other index, so ix begins from index number 1. Since it returns the first occurrence of the substring, so first occurrence of substring is index number 1, so on index number 1 ix is available. And another method is, we can give the range. You will have to find out the substring from this range to this range. So over here, if you look at this example, find this string from this index to ending index is 12, means 12 minus 1. So 3 to 11 it will search ix, and finally it will return 9. Why it will return 9? Because 0, 1, 2 and 3 is the index, and 3 onwards, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you'll find ix on index number 9. So this is how find gives the index of the particular substring. So over here, another example, another method is also here, which is rfind, means find the index of the substring, but it will give the index of the particular substring. It scans the string from right to left, but the index is counted from 0 onwards. So if I say mix and fix dot rfind of ix, so see here, so it will scan right to left, but index is counted from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So ix will be available on index number 9. Now the another alternative, that we can apply the range. So if you want to find out the index of the particular substring within the string, in the range, so I have taken the range 3 to 12, so I want to find out the index of this. So it will scan from right to left, but index will be scanned from left to right. So this is how it will give 9. Why? Because you will have to start from 3. So 3 is space, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So on index number 9 ix is available. So it is scanning from right to left, means finding right to left, but the index is counted from left to right. Now I'll take you to the Colab notebook. Here you'll see the correct example and working of these two functions. So we'll have to click on collab, and from collab it will take you to collab notebook. So this is the online platform where you can uh, do the Python programming, and it gives you the same cells as of Jupyter. So this is basically Jupyter, online Jupyter, you can say, correct. But here, whatever you are creating, whichever program you create in collab notebook, it is stored in the cloud, means in the Google Drive. So you'll find a folder of name collab, and in that collab you can find your program whichever you are creating. So see here, I'm going to show you these examples which I discussed in the presentation. So initially, first time it takes time to load and run also. So see here, run. So first time it will take time. So I clicked it, but it will take time because a server is connected. Unless server is connected, you can't get the output. So it is giving you the index of ix. Yes, this is 1. So it is giving the index of ix as I told you on the presentation. Now I am going to find out the index of ix in the range of 3 to 12. So see here. So it will give 9. Why? Because it will start from 3 and will go up to 12. 11, because 12 minus 1, that is 11, and it will find out the index of ix, and it will found the index at index number 9. Now next one, rfind. So index is left to right, but it scans ix from right to left. So on index number 9 you can find ix. Now if you want to include the range, so I have included the range also, 3 to 12. So it will scan from string will be scanned from right to left, but the index will begin from 0 onwards. So again it will start from 3 and it will go up to the index where ix exists. So see here, again it will give you 9. So see here, 9 is there. So this is how we can say that we can apply this find and rfind in Python strings, and slowly and gradually we can learn these methods and apply these methods on strings. So hope you understood the concept of finding the index of the particular substring using find and rfind. So if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends so that they should also know about find and rfind, and insist them to subscribe my channel, and you also press the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video with some other methods. Till then, bye bye.